Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today, well, I don't know, I'm going on a wig journey. So I decided to buy I bought two wigs. The first one, which I'll just add a picture over there, I look like an old lady. So I'm not wearing it. And it could just be because, no, I look like an old lady. I was gonna say it could be because my hair is short and then I went to wearing a longer wig, but no, I still look old. So I decided to try another wig, and it's from LUVME, and it is the Afro, non-detectable, undetectable. I don't know, I'm just new to all this wig stuff. So this is the package. I'm so excited. My first initial thing was to get it, and then when I got it, I was going to color it, because I want it blonde. Or, yeah, blonde. I'm so excited. Let's see. It says, enjoy your hair journey from now on. And hopefully this time it's enjoyable. Last time, definitely wasn't. Oh, they gave me a little wig cap. Come with a little wig cap. They gave me some clips. We have these little clips that'll be cute for my kids. Ooh, a little edge brush. I'm gonna just leave that alone. And we got some pluckers, well, tweezers. This little thing here, like I told you, I'm pulling this out, and I guess I'm gonna find out what it is when it's time for me to put this wig on. I'm guessing this is a little thing that you put around. I've seen other people's videos. I've never seen anybody do anything with this. So, and look at here. We got some bobby pins. So now on to the main event. All right. Okay. And I have another little clip thing in here, which I'm guessing I'm gonna need because I do not have any hair to hook a clip or anything into. So this is what we have. See what this front looks like, which I'm so excited that it's not like a fat, thick front like I see some people have. I don't know if you can see really good, but so far so good. I guess I'm gonna try it on just to see what it looks like before I actually color it. Okay. I got some hair. And I can say I am actually pretty satisfied. I just can't wait to color it. I don't want it to be black or brown. This is brown, like a dark brown. I want it to be blonde, like light browns and blondes and stuff. Yeah, because that's what I've been used to for a while, but I'm actually pretty happy with my little wig. I guess I'm gonna have to cut some off right here because I do not have any, I don't have any hair to clip anything onto Oops, and it just unclipped. I don't have any hair to clip anything onto, so that's gonna be kind of scary. And I'm guessing that I may, since I don't have any hair, may need to try my hand at gluing, which I know nothing about, so I'm learning as I'm filming, but it's cool. I like it. All right, so I have colored it. I didn't do the highlights yet, but it is colored, and I actually think I like this color. I'm just gonna add a, y'all, I am out of shape and I just ran up the stairs to do a video, so bear with my breathing. But yeah, this is the most natural looking wig I think I've ever had. Seeing that this is my second wig. Oh, because that black bob, well, was actually a brown bob. I colored it black, and this one came, it was, well, as you can tell, it was dark, dark brown. Now it's like, I guess a red brown. I actually really like this color, especially how it looks on the camera. So I'm actually kind of scared to put the highlights in, fearing that, I don't know what I'm fearing, because I don't know, but y'all, I really like it. I don't look like an old lady. So let's put Chantel on, and we're just gonna see how it works from here. I didn't do nothing here. I didn't lay anything down, pluck anything, because this is probably how I'm gonna be wearing it. Coming over like this. I guess I need to do whatever I'm gonna do with this, but other than that, I would say this is like a 30, 50, 100 thumbs up so far. If I didn't know me, I would think this was my hair. So, love me hair, 1,000 thumbs up. So, this is the finished product. After I colored, I added a few highlights or whatever. And this is what it looks like. Now, I'm actually quite pleased with it. So, I think I look cute with it.
Thank you.
I don't know if I need to add some extra oomph. Hello.
Hi.
Yep. And I don't know, this shirt looks really cute. My El Shada shirt from Sovereign Tees. You guys make sure you go check that out. That's www.sovereigntees.shop. Get you one. There's power in the name, okay? El Shaddai, God Almighty. Go get you one. I'm so goofy. This is very weird for me because I've always been blonde and bald. Well, I've been that way for a while, and this is a new look that I'm gonna do, because you know, we as women, we get bored, so I'm trying something new. I had on my red, it didn't look right, and I'm guessing it was because of the hair, the color of the shirt. My makeup, I really kinda not excited about it, but I'm going out, girls' day, so exciting.